Hello and welcome to another interesting video of how you can start earning money as a QA engineer. So if you are a QA engineer and you are stuck at a point or you are doing the job only, then probably you need to learn that there are many ways a QA engineer can earn $2,000 per month easily. Just you need to get the clients. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can get the clients, what are some best platforms, and how you can test the websites actually. And in the upcoming videos, we will explore different platforms one by one where people can go and apply as a QA engineer for different freelance projects and get very interesting projects. So let's get started. So in this video, I am going to show you few things. So first about me, I have completed 2000 plus projects delivered and I have 1200 and plus clients. I have worked on not only the Fiverr but on Upwork, Outside and different other platforms which I will show you in a minute. So if you are a QA engineer and you are only doing a job or you are a freelancer or you are just a fresh graduate and starting the QA, there is no need to worry about. You just need to utilize the AI tools to find the projects, to find clients, because everyone is, creating the websites with AI. So you need to find those people and tell them that the websites they created with AI is having bugs and you can test it for them and you can charge from them. So it's all about lead generation. So first of all, I would like to show you about the Fiverr. So many people thinks that Fiverr is dead, but around 80% of my projects are from Fiverr. Fiverr is very good for not only QA engineers, but everyone. You just need to create a very good account. You need to utilize the AI tools to create a very good account. Then you need to optimize it for SEO. You can also take some reviews from your relatives who are living abroad or different countries. So it should look real. So let me show you, for example, website testing. If I search for website testing, you will see that there are many sellers, but there is only 3,000 results. There are not much in website testing or QA, but they are earning a lot. For example, if I show you this one, Parole, if I open this, so this is, I will test your website application, then send detailed bug report. 170 reviews, it means many projects are completed. If we go down, you see this is around PKR. Let me convert it to USD for better. Now if I go down, you see this is $50, this is 400 to $600 and 7 days ago. This is 50 up to $50. This is $50. This is $50. So you can also have something like this, not only one gig, but you can have multiple gigs and you can start selling here. If I search for example, mobile application testing on Fiverr, you will see a lot of providers. This one, Nitin, is on the top and there are 629 reviews. It means he completed a lot of projects and his services are 50 to $100. Then if you next see his premium offering is $50 only, because there are many projects and testing a mobile app takes only 1 hour, so you can earn $10 per hour or something. Similarly, search for anything, you see all these, you can see, you can check their profile, you can check their the gigs, and then you can copy something same. Not copy, do not copy everything, but try to understand how they have created the image, how is the title, and then try to create something which can help you sell your website testing services. So see, there are many out there who are uh, selling this service on Fiverr. Now, there are many other platforms like Upwork and others, but I will show you some platforms which are specifically only for the website testing. So there is a platform called user testing. I created a long time ago here, but it is not available in our country right now, but it is available everywhere else and not in few countries only. So people are earning a lot of money from this user testing. So get paid to test. You come here, just enter your email, get started. And how it works, you apply for the projects because people are coming here to get their website tested. So go to, for example, surveys, recorded test, live conversation. You can earn a lot of money on these websites because people are earning a lot of money here. So this is one platform where you can earn. These are the reviews, for example, on Trustpilot. People are earning a lot of stuff from here. Then second one is test work, which is again a specific website where owners or web application owners, website owners go there and they ask the testers to test their website and then they pay for their testing. So you see, earn money testing apps. So there are many apps, test apps and websites, earn money. So many people are earning money here. These are five top most legitimate platforms. Next is UTest, another is TestBird, another is Try My UI. So these are the platforms which you can create account, explore. We will explore all these one by one, but check which one is available for you. Create your profile professionally and then start selling today. It's not a math. You just need to utilize the AI tools. No one will come to you and ask you, hey, test my website. So you need to understand this thing that no one will ask you that, are you a QA? Please test my website. It will never happen. You need to find out the client, the one who have a website, who is building a website. You need to reach to them and ask them that I will test your website, and they will give you the project. There are different other ways than these platforms. For example, you can directly search for the new products and contact their CEO, founder, and tell them that, hey, I found some bugs on your website. I can test thoroughly. If you want to have a call, contact me. So that's how I will show you these things next in the upcoming videos, that how you can get the QA projects and start earning a handsome amount. Now you can test these things. For example, if you go to Claude, give it the screenshot of any website, full page screenshot, or give it URL if website is accessible. Just ask Claude that, hey, go to this website and test it for usability, functionality, UI, UX. So deeper functionality cannot be tested, but of course it will test for usability, UI, UX, functionality, and bugs, etc. So I hope you will go to these platforms and then you will start earning some amount there. It is very easy. You just need to find out what are the platforms for you. You need to do it because no one else will come to you and tell, hey, it's not difficult, but it's not easy as well. You need to sit down, you need to think about it, you need to create the gigs profiles, and it is not a luck. You need to do the hard work. So if you are doing the hard work, you will get the projects. And doing the work is not a difficult thing because you are already a QA and you can earn a lot of money from freelancing projects. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, go and subscribe now. And in the upcoming videos, we will explore different platforms and we will see how we can earn money on different platforms as a QA engineer. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comments. And if you want to have a one-to-one session, you can also schedule by going to my calendar page. Thank you.